Hello friends, how are you all? Today I am going to tell you how you can download GB WhatsApp in your iPhone. So let's start. To download GB WhatsApp, first you have to jailbreak your iPhone. After jailbreaking the phone, you have to open the Zebra app. You can also do it with Celio or CD app, but I am using Zebra app. After opening, you have to search watusi3 for WhatsApp. As you can see, watusi3 for WhatsApp. After searching, you have to install it by clicking install option above. After installation, you have to open the lock of your phone and go to the settings of WhatsApp. Settings of WhatsApp. As you can see here, you will be get the option of watusi3 preferences. So friends, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks, see you soon.